Hi, my name is Amelia Ruzica and I have a riddle. What do the 2009 Iranian presidential election, Enron, and the U.S. Internal Revenue Service have in common?
The answer is the mathematical phenomenon of Benford's law. Wait, how can a mathematical phenomenon have these things in common? Benford's law states that in a set of natural numbers, the leading digit of any instance in that set is most likely to be the number 1, and the likelihood of the leading digit being any other number decreases as it gets closer to 9. Let's take that step by step. What is a natural number? A natural number is not a random number or a formulaic number like a phone number where the first 3 digits are the area code. Natural numbers are either naturally occurring, like population sizes, or socially generated, like tax refunds. So, why is the leading digit in a natural number most likely to be 1? In 1938, before the calculator, physicist Frank Benford was looking at logarithm tables. He noticed that the ink on the pages defining the logs of numbers with the leading digit of 1 was more faded than the ink on the pages with the 2s, the 3s, etc. He decided people were using the log tables for the 1s more and wondered why. He analyzed 20,000 sets of natural numbers and found the leading digit 1 occurred most frequently, about 30% of all numbers. There you have it, Benford's law. So, how did Benford's law affect the 2009 Iranian election? The incumbent and 3 others were running for president. The incumbent won, but people thought the election was rigged and protests ensued. To find out if voter fraud occurred, a study was done at the University of Michigan using Benford's law. When Benford's law was applied, the data showed a statistically significant deviation from the Benfordian distribution, suggesting fraud. How is Benford's law related to Enron? Enron Corporation was an American energy giant in 2001. Their CEO and accounting firm had been hiding money for years when the Securities and Exchange Commission used Benford's law to detect anomalies in their finances. The end result? Both companies filed bankruptcy, and legislation was passed to further penalize companies who tried to defraud their shareholders. What about the IRS? People who are creative with their taxes to benefit their own pocket tend to use too many 8s and 9s. The Internal Revenue Service screens tax returns to see if they meet the Benfordian distribution. If there is a statistically significant difference, a fraud investigation or tax audit is conducted. Everyone needs to learn math. It's not just useful to pay bills or calculate discounts. Benford's law proves that math can fight crime.